I want to share with you all that starting a garden, yes, it has its benefits to it, obviously, but not only that, it's more than that, especially if you have children. The reason why I say that is because you're not just planting a garden, guys. You're planting a seed inside of your child. You're planting something in your children and in your grandchildren that they didn't know, but that they will have and be able to hold on to for the rest of their lives. You're teaching them to be able to sustain themselves, to be able to grow their own food. If you can grow your own food, that is power. You are empowering them, because a person cannot live without food. So you are teaching them not to be dependent on the grocery stores or for someone else to feed them. You're teaching them to be a life lesson. So when you put a seed in the ground, involve your kids. And when you involve your kids, teach them, show them from the beginning to the end what happens. It teaches them patience. It teaches them nature. It teaches them the power that the Most High has put into a small seed to produce abundance. You're teaching them so much. And so just remember, when you start a garden, it's more than just going outside and picking your food. If you have kids, involve them, teach them. You're going to empower them with wisdom and knowledge. They're going to be able to understand. They're going to understand where their food comes from. They'll see it straight from the seed to the growth of it, to the flowering, to the fruiting, to the harvest, the whole process. Learning is more than just public school. Teach them as you go. Teach them life, so that they can become adults who can take care of themselves, okay? So as you can see, I'm passionate about this, but it's very important. It's not just about us, it's about our kids. All right, we'll see you in the next video.